Back in play. Yeah.
Get ready, guys.
All right, on your mark. All right, people. Go ahead, have to hold that tower and the hill. Ready? Steady. Yeah. We're going to center tower, okay, Dustin? Yeah. I was going to go for center tower. Calm yourself. Calm yourself. Go! Go! Contact left! They're on the other side.
How do we get in here?
That side or underneath. You go underneath. How do you like swimming? Alright.
Contact.
Okay, they're up there. You're up there.
Excuse me?
How do you get into such a tower?
We got people up there. So you got people? Who's got people? Good. Who's got people?
We do.
I got smoke. All I hear is people. Drop it in. What do I do? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, God, all right, let's get out of this shithole here. Cross the trench. It's not fire line. Come here. Come for us. All right. I'd say we're going to go through. Go, go, go. That was fun. We're going to respawn and do it again. Jess, get down. Go down. Let's go. Yeah. Hey, you guys in the room?
They're in the tower. Got one. Come on, dude. You didn't hear me.
We got it first, so we held it for 5 minutes. Raise that flag. Look! Is there a bunch of yellow guys over here or where? Jody! Tell me how good it is up there, all right? Yeah. You just go down this way?
Yeah.
Cool. There's a path, right?
Yeah.
Alright, don't get shot. Hurry up.
south by between Central and Cheeseburger, Hamburger Hill.
We have that.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Which one? It's not in place. It's a great location for a museum, but it's not.
Moving to Central Tower and then over. Oh, the fucking hills, dude. It is. This is the easy part. I know.
I got a bum knee, so.
Oh yeah, I was there. Oh, you went to that?
I got a pretty bad bum knee. This mother. The worst is,
They want more business. Let's go one more. You walk around here.
They're waiting now. They can ship almost anywhere in the U.S.
E-bike is trying to get in on that too. Yeah. So honestly, I like e-bikes better.
I don't know.
I mean, e-bike has like more stuff, better sales.
I live like 10 minutes from the walking trail. Yeah. So it's like, I like them because it's convenient.
I live in the house in here.
Okay.
Listening?
Yeah, I'm listening.
What is this?
I just graduated. I went to Freeman.
Yeah.
Santa Monica.
I'm going to Godwin next year.
Where you going?
Godwin.
Oh, yeah.
Get over there.
Where?
Arrivals.
Over there, the stoppers. Godwin has many rivals. See those guys over there?
Yeah.
Enemies. Dead men don't talk.
Hey guys, you know, I think we got a spawn over here. We had a spawn over here last time.
Yeah.
Alright.
Is there people, enemy in the South Tower?
What?
Enemy in the South Tower?
Yes, there's enemy in the South Tower and in that wood line.
Can you get a team up there?
Do you know anybody in town? Do you know anybody in town?
Yeah, there's a couple. There's like at least 5.
Yeah.
A Thunderview will probably knock them out though, on the bottom at least. Jeez. Hey, watch that window right there too.
Somebody behind?
Hey, behind us guys. Just look in the wood line back there. Some guys back there. Okay, I got this. Shut that. What's that? I mean, just keep your eye on it.
Hey, got top south towers out.
Alias,
Yeah, we got guys all through here.
Call you. There he is. Steve.
Kid just walked right out there. Oh, what's up? Right.
Copy.
Yeah, either behind the crates.
I think he moved from the crates.
yeah.
I think he's out. Yeah, crates again.
Did he call it? Oh, he caught it. Cool.
They're shooting, shooting. Never got your name. What? Bill.
And those trenches right there, is that? No, sir.
What's that?
Never mind, they're blue.
So is the tower taken or is it just...
Yeah, we've got all three of them now.
Alright. We probably need to move a little bit. Yeah, they have this whole, the wood line over there is getting taken right now. They're moving into the woods. We'll move over here. There we go.
Alias, down.
Hey, they're coming this way. There are a couple of them. I got one of them.
Huh?
I thought we got the tower.
I thought we did. We have people in there.
Hey, shooters. We need to shoot fire this way. They're starting to push us out of this trench work behind us.
I can't hear you guys. Keep coming out.
Send 2 more people!
Where? You got reinforcements.
Certainly feels good to be on the winning side. Makes that climb a little easier, huh?
Yeah. Going to the tower. Yeah.
Yeah, it probably is.
We're trying to circle back around the same position.
All right,
Yeah.
Nicholas.
So get up there and keep the towers safe.
Yeah, LMG's on the top tower, so
Yeah.
unless they grenade the crap out of it, we're gonna have some fun.
Just be aware, the last few minutes of the game,
are the toughest.
that's when they're going to push hard. That's when they're going to drop smoke and stuff. And the key is to be on the top tower because you can look down at the 2 channels and you can just lay down.
How much time is it?
You've got about 22 minutes.
All right, so
Yeah.
22 minutes to hold those towers. You've got a small group of reinforcements coming back. Do we have a flag on that central tower? The flag. Do we have the flag up? Alright. If the flag's not up when we get there, guys, we need to find that and get that up. Alright. The commander says to expect an assault on the towers towards the end of the match.
they're flanking around in there in the trenches behind the towers right now, where they was.
We're not even doing anything with it. You guys all good?
It's not easy to... Yeah, we're good. I'm actually checking breath.
So the commander said we need to hold the towers for about 20 minutes. We can expect an assault.
Yeah, they're
towards the
starting,
end.
we pushed them off. They're in the tree line all along.
Uh-huh.
They're not going away.
I think we should all go for a run.
The ref is calling hits. He called me on a hit. It must have hit my strap. I didn't feel it. I flinched because it hit around the barrier I was in. He called it.
I got hit in the back, and I'm not sure how I did that because all my guys were behind me. But
You guys don't want to do a rush for it? Just run through it?
Stay in a rush.
all right, Nicholas, we're coming in. Do we still have all 3 towers? Actually, sure, heading up here. I like the strategy there. You still good on the tower?
Yeah, he's on the south wall. Hiding.
Well, we gotta get him back.
Fellows, get ready. Go. Like your brother, like you said you would, and get him to safety. Is he out? No, just take him. I'm out. I can't take him. I'm out. I am out. I can't take him. I swear. Take him with you. It's your responsibility, not mine. You got me? I'll shoot you in the leg. Hey, do it. No team killing. We need everybody here. Hey, who's good at CQB?
I am, but I'm out of ammo.
What?
Hey,
I'll take it.
I got this. You do that.
Are you guys good? I got one.
No.
Alright, I'm moving back. I'm gonna try and shoot. Hey, excuse me. Oh, he's gonna go out.
Crap, mid caps. This sucks.
No, sorry, sir. No. Hey, you know what card you can test it? Watch it all. That's it. Fourth line.
You see him?
Okay.
I know, right? Same thing. I'm sure one of those 200 inches.
Yes.
Who's that? Yeah. Sorry, trailers.
Hey guys! We have a tango over here! Try to get him!
Nicholas, can you see the guy down the walk here?
Do you see it? Hey guys, on top of the tower! Do you see anyone in the catwalk?
No.
Okay.
Keep your head around his back. They're gonna sniper me through that window.
Where from?
Huh?
What'd you say?
I was in a window.
And that south tower, when you see it's clear, we make a push down safe.
Keep throwing grenades in there, boys.
Smoke. Hey, come here!
Nicholas, call it when it's clear.
I go.
Hey, somebody take smoke. I can't get close enough, and I'm out of ammo, so.
We all know the smoke if you need it.
Just wait till that one runs out.
Yeah.
Nice green. Anyone Anyone got a speed loader? No.
I left it.
I have one on me, but it's empty.
Yeah, I'm completely out.
Well, maybe I got like
Is it
clear on the other side of that smoke? Yeah, come here.
Guys, get ready. I saw 2 people running.
Clear on the other side of the smoke. Let us know when it's clear. I got like 4 bullets. 2. That'll work.
Here.
Not wanting to get in, my friend.
Crap.
Once you do that,
Where's he at?
step over the leg, but
Did it in?
No, he just left.
you only get 1 bullet. So
Nicholas, I need you to call when it's clear there. I need you guys to press the fire on the top of that tower so we can move to it.
As long as they call their hit, then.
Hey, are you in the top?
I got 1 round.
All right, I need the guys in that central tower. They need to lay suppressive fire so we can make it to that south tower.
Oh, it is. I can't see. I've been over there a good 5 times.
Hey guys, central tower.
Hey!
Central tower, top.
Hey! Central idiots, over here!
Hey, Central
We need you guys to lay covering fire so we can all move up.
Hey, come on!
All right, go.
I got 1.
Yeah, throw it.
Hey guys, smoke here!
Oh, we got smoke.
Yeah, pass it.
Smoke coming up.
Come on, guys, move up.
Go.
Watch your head on that.
Hey, all the guys are going out. Bunch of guys going out.
All right, let's go. You guys on me?
Keep it semi, guys. Keep it semi.
Keep it semi. That was my bad.
Go in. Hey, follow them up. Get down there. Go. Whoa, he fell.
I'm good.
Can't see crap. Hey, breathe out the window. Come on.
Who's got a pistol?
Anybody got pistol? Anybody got pistol?
Hey, guy right there. Right there.
I see him.
I gotta go back over and bring it up.
There you go. He's out. Reloading.
I'm out.
All right.
I'm moving up.
Guys, he's dead.
I'm coming down. Wait just a second.
Let him get out. Guys, we got this. Come on down.
God, I just fell down those second set of stairs. Hey, we got enemy right in front of us. Enemy right in front of us.
Yeah. He's
Bad spot.
He'll move, I can get him. That choke, that smoke that killed me.
It worked though.
Yeah. There's one directly in front of you. See that tree out there? Please move it.
That tree out there.
I got him.
You got this, man.
There we go.
We need more guys!
You're good, I got you covered.
Go!
Hey, say what? What's that window out there? I think there's somebody right there.
Hey, you good?
Yeah, we're good. You can cut it out if you want.